when one recites the Quran properly, they have to make sure that they keep the right timing in pronouncing all the letters. And that's the most common mistake that people they make after mispronouncing the letters. Like you see over here in this word, kataba, each one has a fatah on it, and they call it a harakah, and the length of time has to be exactly one harakah, kataba. And likewise, every other letter that a person they recite in the Quran, when it has that, it has to be exactly one harakah, not longer, not shorter. Likewise, if it's other vowels on it, kutiba, same thing. Each one has to be one harakah. The length has to be exactly one harakah, not anything longer, not anything shorter. Kutiba, like that. And that's the case except if you have alif, ya, and waw, which has to be exactly 2 times longer, exactly 2 harakah, or 4 or 5 harakah if you have the hamza after it, or 6 harakat if you have a sukoon after it. So it has to be exactly that length. That's a mistake that people they make when they recite the Quran. Now, when the letters are sukoon, you have three different types of letters. You have strong letters, you have middle letters, and the rest of the letters are weak. The strong letters are here, ajid, kat, bakat. All these letters are strong letters, and when they're sukoon, then they have the shortest amount of time. And so that's what you have over here. They have the shortest amount of time when they're sukoon. And then some of these letters are kalkala letters, so you have to pronounce it like a bouncing pronunciation. So these are shortest amount of times when you have a sukoon on it. And then these letters, lin, omar, lam, noon, and ayin, mim, ra, that's the one that have a middle amount of time. And when they have a sukoon on it. These letters here are the shortest amount when they have a sukoon on it. And likewise, these when they have a sukoon on it. But when they have the vowel on it, fatha, dal, kamsa, they have to be exactly one harakah. These are the shortest amount of time with sukoon. These are the middle, lin, over, the amount of time when there's a sukoon. And the rest of the letters that are not in these, they're the longest amount of time. They're called rikhawa, soft letters. And then bear in mind that the kaf and the ta, when you have in these strong letters, they also have a whistling, they also have a air that comes out when you pronounce them. These other letters, they don't have air coming out, these have the air coming out. But the length of the time is still the same, the shortest amount. And the other thing to bear in mind, you have the kalkala, where if you have a sukoon on it, then you have to pronounce it with a bouncing pronunciation. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.